guys, have you seen the clouds? Oh, they're so grey. It's not gonna be a good day. Anyway, do you know what will make today better? Yeah, if we learn some of Gazzi's ABCs, today will be fantastic. Okay, so what letter did we get up to? Okay, today we're going to do the letter U, like me and you. So me and you are going to learn U. So how can we do U with our bodies? We could do a small U like this. We could make it a little bigger like this, but I don't think they look right. How I think we should do a U is like this. So you see my face goes down here, along the bottom here, and then up here. U. And when it's a small U, we can just do this. U. Okay? So we're going to go U, U, U. Do the head nodding because it's fun. U, U, U. On a bad day like this, what do we need? We need one of those things above our head so we don't get all wet. What's that thing called? That's right, it's an umbrella. So to open an umbrella, we hold it with this hand and we push it with this hand, then bring it above our head. So let's go. Umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella starts with and when it's raining, we need to be under the umbrella. Umbrella and under both start with U. So, umbrella, under, U, U, U. Umbrella, umbrella. When do we need the umbrella? That's right, in the rain. So we move our fingers, pretending our fingers are the rain. In the rain. Okay, so let's go. Umbrella, umbrella, in the rain. Okay, let's do it all slowly together. U, U, U. I like that. U, U, U. Umbrella, umbrella, in the rain. Okay, let's do it one more time, but let's do it all together. Are you good to go? Awesome. Do you have your wellies on? Do you have your raincoat on? Alright, let's go out in the rain. 3, 2, 1. You. Umbrella, umbrella, in the rain. I love dancing in the rain with you. You and umbrella. So many U's. I'll see you next time. Bye.